a look here. What is this? Amazing looks interesting. There are so many colorful things. Okay, let's do this. Hello, friends.
Hello, kids. How are you doing today?
What shall we do?
Over here. Bye!
This is an owl. This is red owl. Perfect. This is orange owl. This is yellow owl. Green owl. Blue owl. Purple owl. This is pink owl. That was wonderful. Red ball. Yippee! Great job, friends! See you guys next with new exciting things. Hello, friends! Look over here. Amazing looks interesting. See? Who is that? Hello, friends. Hey, look over here. I'm having a little bit of trouble here. Okay, I will show you how. Let's go. Okay, let's do this. Let's go over there. Oh, wow!
This is a triangle. Ooh.
This is hexagon. What shall we do next?
This is cross. What do you think?
This is star. Now it's your time.
This is rectangle. Yippee!
This is an oval. They look so good.
This is heart.
That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you. Bye! Hello, friends. Hey, watch out! Oh, wow! Let's play. Oh, wow!
This is a pelican.
That is awesome. This is swan. This is funny. This is toucan. Oh, wow! This is penguin. That is awesome. This is an owl. This is funny.
This is a gray heron.
Hey, watch out! Amazing looks interesting. Yahoo! Hello, friends. Look over here. I'm having a little bit of trouble here.
Hello, friends.
Hey, watch out! Hey, what's going on? Do you think you could help today? You could? Well, that has a plan for today. Okay, let's go. Oh, wow! Look at over here. That is awesome. Whoa! Did you see that? Hello, friends. Whoa! Have a look here. Yeah, roll with me. Let's open it up. Green, orange, yellow, purple, blue, red.
Look at these animals on the vehicles. Here we go. Yahoo! That is awesome. Ooh. So who is going first? Okay, let's go! Perfect! That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you. See you guys next with new exciting things.
Whoa!
Ooh, have a look here. There are so many colorful giraffes. Hello, friends.
How are you doing today?
Who wants to play?
Let's go! Over here.
They look so good.
Okay, let's do this. This is red color giraffe.
Orange giraffe.
Yellow giraffe.
Green giraffe. Blue giraffe. Purple color giraffe.
Pink giraffe.
Cyan giraffe. I'm so proud of you. So I will see you next time. Bye!
Ooh, have a look here. What is this?
Hello, kids.
Hello, friends.
Hey, what's going on? It looks like we have fruits.
They look so good.
We are going to learn fruits. Okay, let's do this. Let's go for the next. Oops. I think we are missing one more thing. Let's look at these. Dragon fruit. Yahoo! No, take a look.
Pomegranate.
Let's go for the next.
Okay, let's do this.
An apple.
Watermelon.
An orange.
Pear.
Strawberry. Mango. That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you.